Cheryl Hazel with Realty 100 and the Cheryl Hazel Real Estate Team. To earn top dollar and sell your home more quickly, you need to make it stand out from the competition. And one of the best ways to do that is through staging. 4 reasons to stage. 1, your home will shine online. Buyers first found 92% of the homes they visited on the internet. Good staging can make your home stand out before buyers ever visit. 2, it shows off the potential. 77% of agents say staging makes it easier for buyers to visualize a property as their future home. 3, it spurs walkthroughs. Clients are more willing to walk through a home that has been staged, according to 40% of agents. 4, your home will sell faster. Nearly 2/3 of agents say staging decreases the amount of time a home spends on the market. 6 most important rooms to stage: the living room, the master bedroom, the kitchen, of course, outdoor space, dining room, and a bathroom. Staging is preparing a home for sale so the buyer can mentally move in. Barb Schwartz, California Realtor and Chairwoman of the International Association of Home Staging Professionals. Simple fixes that agents recommend. Declutter, 93%. Clutter eats equity, says Barb Schwartz. Full home cleaning, 89%. Perfect cleaning, 81%. Remove pets before showings, 80%. Make minor repairs, 75%. Depersonalize the home, 72%. And paint walls, 68%. The cost of professional staging. Most stagers charge $300 to $600 for an initial consultation, then $500 to $800 per room per month. Click the link in the description for access to this information. Feel free to call me at 754-207-4504 and make it a great day. If you enjoyed this video, check out one of the videos below. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and to get the free download that accompanies this video, click the link below. And have a great day.